Hi, I'm Billy Blanks Jr., the creator of Karaoke, and this is Dance With Me Part 2. I want you guys to have some fun. I want it spicy. Most importantly, keep breathing and keep moving, all right, guys? We're going to start off with a little salsa. Here we go. Left leg first. And one. Step, step. Right, left, right. Left, right, left. Just like that. Now, it's important, guys. These steps are really easy. So step out far. Step out. Just like that. Make it funky. Step, step. Here we go. We're going to move our hips now. Working the core. To the left, right, left. Just like that. Keep moving. Push, 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 push. Here we go. Bringing the hips to the front. We go left and up. Squeeze. All the way up. Bring it back. Shake it. Shake. Shake. One more time. Same thing. Bring it forward. 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 Oh, yeah. Bring it back. Bring it back. Bring it back. Now salsa. Catch your breath. Into the nose. Out to the mouth. And work it. Yeah. Step it. Now we're going to move on to the samba. This is kind of hard. It's a little intimidating because it goes fast, but I'm going to start with it slow, okay? Here we go, guys. Bring it forward. Starting on the left leg, we go. Left, right, left. Right, left, right. Keep breathing. Yes. Now, double time. Here we go. Step, step. Just like that. Right, left, right. Left, right, left. Good job. Now, bring it forward and breathe. This is the part I was telling you about. We're getting ready to do it 3 times as fast. All right? Shake it. Here we go. Come on. Push, 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 push. Come on, come on. Push, 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 push. And bring it out. Good job, guys. We're going to do that one more time. Samba, bring it forward. Ladies, I want you to shake it for your husbands, all right? Here we go. Here we go now. Shake it. Come on. Push, 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 push. That's it. All right, guys. That's what I'm talking about. I'm Billy Blanks Jr., and I'll see you next time on Exercise TV. Keep on dancing. Ha, ha. Hey, I'm Billy Blanks Jr., the creator of Karaoke. With Karaoke, you'll get a highly effective workout, and you'll have a blast doing it. Get my full Karaoke workout on DVD. Just go to the Exercise TV store at exercisetv.tv/store.